I'm Christopher Kent. Today I'm going to share with you some of my collection, which has value, but this is priceless. I'm a generalist, and in the appraising world, that means you know a lot about a lot of things. I began my career collecting when I was about 5 or 6 years old, and this is one of the first pieces right here that I collected at about 6 years old. It's an interesting piece. It's a very early 18th century piece of Japanese porcelain. This particular piece is coming from the Mikiwaka part, clay pits in Japan. Interestingly about this piece, Japan was not really known for its ceramics until the 18th century. And this particular one has a slight blue cast underglaze and is decorated with stylized locusts and flowers, and is coming from about 1730. I found this particular piece at a junk shop. Interestingly, while this piece was being made, this piece over here was being produced in China. This is what is called Chinese export, and this was made exclusively for the Western market. We'll see on this particular piece, it has what's called an armorial seal, or in this case, the initials of the person that manufactured it. This was made exclusively, as I said, for the Western market at about the same time this piece was being made, 1710 through 1730. But what's interesting and unique about this particular piece is it has a handle, which was a new invention as far as tea bowls were concerned, because prior to the handle, which was a Western addition, tea bowl was simply a bowl. You poured your tea into this, and then you poured your tea from the cup itself into the saucer, allowing it to cool, and you drank it from there. Fascinating that these particular pieces were made with the Western market, because this piece was never designed to be exported. This is a very early 19th century, about 1810, 1820, piece of English porcelain. I found this particular piece in Savannah, Georgia, in the most unlikely place, and the decoration, it's manufactured by Worcester, which was the manufacturer in England in the 18th century through the 19th century as well. And it is done by the firm of Barflight Bar, which bought out the Worcester Pottery Company. We see decorations here, stylized decorations, which were typically called the Japanese style.